You have a lab and a folder of resolved ticket write-ups, but right now they sit on your machine where no employer will ever see them. In this lesson you turn them into a public, professional portfolio, a clean GitHub repo or simple site, polished knowledge base articles, clear screenshots, 1 or 2 short screen demos, and an automation sample. The goal is a single link you can paste into your resume and every application, a link that convinces a reviewer in under a minute that you can do the work. First, choose a home. For IT support work, GitHub is the easiest professional option, and yes, it is for more than developers. A free public repository gives your Markdown runbooks, your scripts, and your screenshots one shareable address. If you want it to look more like a web page, turn on GitHub Pages, which publishes a repo as a simple site. Do not over-engineer this. One well-organized repository beats a fancy site you never finish, and you can always upgrade later. Reviewers skim, so structure for skimming. Your README is the front door. Open with a one-line pitch saying who you are and what you support, then an index linking to each project. Use one folder per area, Active Directory, Intune and Microsoft 365, Automation, each with the runbook and a screenshot subfolder. Keep file names consistent and predictable. The test is simple. Can a stranger land on your README and reach any piece of evidence in 1 or 2 clicks? If yes, the structure works. You already wrote each runbook with 5 sections. Now polish them for a public audience. Add a one-line summary at the very top so a reader knows instantly what it covers. Keep the steps numbered and specific, using exact setting names where they matter. Link related articles to each other so the portfolio feels connected. And read each one aloud once, because if a step is unclear to you, it will be unclear to a reviewer too. Screenshots are powerful proof, but only when done well. Crop to the part that matters, nobody needs your whole desktop. Annotate the key setting with a box or arrow so the eye goes straight to it. And redact every username, email, and anything that resembles a password, using test data wherever you can. Careful redaction is itself a signal that you handle data responsibly, which reassures a security-conscious employer. Name the files clearly so they are easy to reference from your Markdown. A short screen demo is the highest impact artifact you can add, because recruiters actually watch them, and they prove communication skill alongside technical skill. Record just 1 or 2, each 2 to 4 minutes, with any free screen recorder. State the problem in 1 sentence, show yourself working the fix while explaining what you are doing and why, then verify the result. Speak calmly, as if to a colleague, show no real credentials, and link the demo from the relevant README so nobody has to hunt for it. Manual fixes show competence, but automation shows leverage, the Tier 2 mindset of fixing things at scale. Include one small, genuine sample, a commented PowerShell script that clears temp files or bulk creates test users, or an RMM automation that runs a script against a group of devices. Comment it well, explain at the top what problem it solves, and note the result, like ran against 5 lab machines and freed about 2 gigabytes each. You do not need to be a developer, you need to show you reach for automation when a task repeats. Finally, tie it together with one link. Put it near the top of your resume, add it and your demos to your LinkedIn featured section, and paste it into applications. Then quality check, open the link in a private browser window to confirm it is truly public, look for broken images, and make sure no real personal data slipped through. Ask a friend to open it cold and tell you what they think you do. If their answer matches your pitch, the portfolio is working and it becomes the centerpiece of your whole job search.